And they're hiding.
If it's anything like
Hãng xe vận chuyển quốc tế Sapa Shuttle Bus xin kính chào quý khách.
Hey guys, it's Bella. So today I'm vlogging Sapa. It's like my second last day here. I wanted to film like every day, but I didn't really get the chance to just because we were on the motorbike. It's kind of a long story. I had a motorbike fall. I was too anxious to bring my camera out in case it got broken. My phone broke from water damage the same day I had like a motorbike fall, so just wasn't very good timing. But right now, today we're going to a place called Cat Village, which is pretty much a village where tribal people, I think they're called the Hmong tribe in Sapa, Vietnam. I could be saying that completely wrong, I probably am. But right now we've just stopped off for a drink. My friends are just playing a game of pool while I'm having a drink. And I just thought that I'd start this intro here. So as you can see, or maybe not, as you can see, there's a lot of beautiful mountains and things. So we're going to go on a small trek today. Lighting's really bad. Okay, yeah, that's much better. But it looks so beautiful and I can't wait. But I'll show you guys a bit more later.
oh my god, they're very knives. I swear this shit is just like
Where do you reckon they come from?
panorama.
Hey guys, it's Bella. So today I am in Hue, in Vietnam. I just arrived a couple hours ago. We're at the Airbnb now. We're just leaving to go down to the city and maybe rent a motorbike and go into the countryside to see some rice fields and visit a village. My Sapa vlog didn't go too well. So I don't know if I will include that in my vlog, but I kind of want to, just because I did see some pretty cool stuff that I want you guys to see as well. But hopefully I can vlog more now that I'm walking, and this is a bit more of a confident city to have your camera around your neck, kind of. So yeah.
Okay. 2 times. So
Hey guys, I thought I'd just check in with you guys for today. So pretty much we've rented some motorbikes. We found a good place. We made some travel plans today, which we really needed to do because we've just kind of been going and booking accommodation like the night before we arrive somewhere. So that's still probably going to happen actually. But anyway, so what we've decided that we're going to do is stay in, I forgot how to say it, Hue in Vietnam until the 20th of December, and then on the 20th we're actually going to ride up to Hoi An, which should be about a 3-hour drive if we don't stop, but I think we're going to stop in Da Nang, which is about a 2-hour drive from here. We'll stop at the beach and maybe have a swim there, but I will take you guys along with me. The boys have just gone to the laundromat because we need to dry our clothes before we go. So what's happening is we'll ride up there, and the people who we're renting the motorbikes off will take our luggages up to Hoi An for us, and then we will meet them there, and then we will be in Hoi An, which I'm so excited about. But I've been really loving Hue so far. I really want to go to the night market and go to the countryside. Unfortunately, we haven't done that just yet. We might do so, but it's about 3:15 p.m. right now. So I'm not quite sure if we will have the time. But I will keep vlogging, but just wanted to do a quick update. But just before I do let you guys go, I'll show you guys around the Airbnb just because I always find that fun. So this is just like a really cozy, cute place. Don't lock myself out, please. Okay, so you walk in. We've made it a bit messy. This is like the living room. It's got some cute art, couch, TV. This place has so many balconies. So this is one of them. I don't actually think I can open it though, but I wish I could. It looks pretty. Yeah, some more cute little art. This is bedroom 1, which is Caleb's room. Oh, see. This is Caleb's room. It's very simple. A fan, which we do not need. Desk. Bed for him. Yeah, it's just very simple. There's our helmets and some chairs, and then this is mine and Andrew's bedroom. Just turn the lights on in here. Our bedroom is much messier, and look how dirty my suitcase got coming back from Sapa on the bus. Very messy. And then we just have this big wardrobe, and then, oh wait, there's a full-length mirror there. There's me. And then you can go out here. And this is like pretty much where we did our laundry. Actually, I'm quite confused because they were meant to take all of this out. But, yeah. This is a little balcony and the washing machine. And this is Hue. This is the view. It's so beautiful. I love it. Like, it's a really slow-paced city, but yeah, really beautiful at the same time. It's quite bustling still, but it's much more slower than, say, like Hanoi. Haven't been to Ho Chi Minh yet, but I'm quite scared to be there, because I know it's just going to be crazy. But I'm actually going to give the boys a call to see what exactly they're doing, because they were meant to take to they were meant to take the laundry. But I'll probably speak to you guys soon or tomorrow. So that caught me off guard, but I forgot to show you guys. This is just the bathroom. And then the toilet's down there. Don't think that that's too interesting. And then there's a fridge. Our Airbnb host is so cute. She left us all these snacks and yogurt and eggs, which reminds me, I was making food. which I totally forgot about. She also gave us this huge water, which we will need, even though we're only staying here for 2 nights, but that's always good. A small little kitchen, perfect. Probably not going to do that much cooking anyway. Here is another balcony, and you can't open this one either, but yeah. Anyway, sorry for that little, got confused about the laundry, but I'm just gonna sit here, and I was just on the phone to Sephora because I got double charged, and now I'm just trying to get in contact with some of my family, and yeah, so I'll speak to you guys soon.